Hi everyone, Mrs. Crane here. I'm going to give you a few instructions, just reminders about what we should be doing during our research time today while I'm gone. First off, the first step you want to take is to log into your Google Classroom, whether you're 4th or 6th hour. You can see right away there's that link to the research source tracker if you click on it. And you can be able to access it from the feed as well. If you just scroll down a little bit, it's right there. You should be able to click on the document and open it and begin typing right away if you haven't already started. You can remember that on this left side is where you're keeping track of the title of the article that you are using in your essay, the website you got it from, as well as the author, so that way you can go back and find it later. And then you're taking notes here on that right-hand column. You're welcome to erase my example if that is confusing to you, so you could just start putting in your own sources there. But remember, we're looking for our sources at Olathe West Library. So Google Olathe West Library. Should be the first website that comes up. And then you're going to want to scroll down and start with opposing viewpoints. You could also look at U.S. history in context or world history in context, but I think this is going to be the best place for you. And remember, the password is all lowercase owls, O-W-L-S. And then this is where you can continue searching for your sources on your topics. All of you have your topics decided on, so we should all be prepared to start taking notes. Remember, you have to have at least 3 sources, and I would like all of our notes to be finished by the end of class tomorrow. So we need to find at least 1 or 2 sources by the end of today, and that means you would have the source listed here as well as several notes taken for your essay on that right-hand side. Okay, thanks so much for watching.